Welcome back. Sorry, I didn't realise how long the lesson was becoming and I ran out of time. So I'll pick up exactly where I left off. So we just worked out that C was 8. So we need to work that through. So 8 times 3 is 24. Add that 1 is 25. So it will be a carried 2. Now I'm looking for something times 3, take away 2, or add 2, sorry, to be that 8. So I want to take away 2 from my 8, and I'm looking for something ending in a 6. So it's going to have to be 6, isn't it? It's going to have to be 3 times 2. So my B's become 2's, and then I can work it through. 2 times 3, add 2 is 8. Okay, I've got no carries. So now something times 3 has to equal 2. Can't equal 2, so that must be the second number. I'm looking for something ending in a 2, and I've got 12, so that's 4 lots. My A becomes a 4. And then I'll work that through. 4 times 3 is 12. 2 there, carry 1. And then 1 times 3, add 1 equals 4. So I can see that that 4 is right as well. And that will be how I work it out, okay? So it's complicated. Oh, sorry, it's complicated, but it's not too complicated for you to be able to do. It just needs to take a little bit of time and a little bit of thought. So if you do the challenge question, you'll see something like this, and you can have a go at it, okay? Now, there is also what I have called a mega challenge on that sheet, and I will be really super impressed if anyone can manage to solve that one. So let's see who is up for the challenge. Now that is the end of the lesson. So you need to choose now from the sheets on the webpage. You need to decide where your confidence lies. Do you want to just practice multiplying by 1 digit, or multiplying by 2 digit? Or do you want to have a go at some of those challenges, finding the errors or replacing letters with numbers? Just like at school, it would probably be a really good idea to choose one of the practice sheets, and then once you've done a few and checked your answers, move on to the challenges. If you don't get onto the challenges, that's fine. If you just work through a whole page of practice questions, that would be brilliant practice to get your confidence up. So you decide which one you want to do, and the answers are there for you as well. I look forward to seeing how you get on, especially if some of you crack that mega challenge. See you in the next lesson.